We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we've just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top shelf service to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you and thanks for watching.